How to fix Initpki.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, using the System File Checker, SFC, along with the DISM command can identify and repair missing or corrupted system files, restoring the Initpki.dll file if needed. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if Initpki.dll was accidentally deleted, it might still be in the recycle bin, and restoring it could resolve the error. Sometimes, specific software that uses Initpki.dll may need to be reinstalled to restore the missing file. Find the program related to the Initpki.dll error and select Uninstall, then follow the steps to remove it. Restart your computer, then reinstall the program from a trusted source. If that didn't work, a system restore can revert your system back to a point where the Initpki.dll file was not missing or corrupted, helping resolve the issue.